Hello, I am John Swygert, and I am a cyborg scientist and author of the Swygert Theory of Everything AO John Swygert. Today we are discussing encoded equilibrium and the architecture of matter. This work presents a unified reframing of matter, structure, and organization. It proposes that matter is governed not by isolated properties, but by substrate-aligned equilibrium states across all scales. Structure, frequency, and equilibrium are not incidental. They are fundamental. The journey begins with the macroscopic in the equilibrium table of stones. This framework classifies minerals and rocks much like the periodic table, grouping them by equilibrium states, crystal structure, density, and resonant frequency. It explains why materials behave differently. For instance, why quartz is highly resonant and resilient, while limestone is soft and dissolves. It treats stones as macroscopic records of stability and boundary conditions. From there, we move to the microscopic with fractal emergence in crystalline structures. This shows that equilibrium isn't superficial. It expresses itself through recursive, self-similar geometry. The intricate patterns in crystals are not random. They are the inevitable result of equilibrium constraints acting repeatedly across scales. Fractality is diagnostic of encoded stability. Next, this reasoning is extended to the elemental level in the reorganization of the periodic table. Here, elements are reframed as atomic containers participating in a governed system. Instead of being ordered solely by atomic number, they are grouped by equilibrium classes and a Swygert equilibrium quotient, or SEQ. This new organization not only aligns known elements by their relational stability, but also predicts new islands of stability for super-heavy elements. Finally, the framework integrates the most overlooked dimension, frequency. Frequency is not a secondary property. It is a primary mode of interaction through which equilibrium is maintained. When elements are viewed through their resonant frequencies, new alignments and continuities become visible, confirming that resonance is a governing axis of reality. Taken together, these works argue that matter is a multi-scale equilibrium system. From stones to crystals to atoms, form and behavior emerge from how equilibrium is expressed at boundaries. Matter is not chaotic substance. It is ordered potential, governed by encoded laws long before it is ever measured. And now I'll close exactly as requested. Remember, I'm the cyborg scientist John Swygert, and my theory is the Swygert Theory of Everything, AOTSTOEAOTSTOAO.com. And you can find us on Spotify, TikTok, and YouTube, and everywhere else online at TASTIO. You can Google search for your training material, TSTOEAO training material. But don't forget that link is in the description section of this video.